Hello from Halo. This is Sam speaking. Today we'll be talking about a little bit of a different topic, talking about frame sizes, how to change the set of frames you'll be using, and how to actually upload new hoop sizes into the machine. And this will happen if we happen to get newer hoops, a different brand of hoops, so on and so forth. So to start with, for a little bit of a background, to actually access your hoops that are uploaded, you go to Outline, which also can be found in Settings. So Outline, and then it brings you to a list of the current set of hoops you're using. This is the Barudan hoops outline list. But to go ahead and give us a walkthrough, if we happen to need to use frames that aren't currently listed here or aren't actually submitted into the machine. So we're gonna go over here. I wanted to show this. Here is our machine spare parts box, and it's in here. I keep all the documentation that came with our Barudan machines, both of them. So both machines came with a Barudan USB, and it's titled Instruction Manual. However, these machines actually came pre-loaded, or these USBs, sorry, came pre-loaded with several different sets of hoops, including mighty hoops. So this is actually a good thing to use for a demo. Give me 1 second to get this out of the package. All right, here we are again, ready to insert our USB. I'm gonna put it in the side here. Wait for it to register. All right, there it is. Usually when we go and get a USB inserted, we hit the USB part, but we don't need to do that now. We can go straight to Outline. Once you're in the Outline area, you hit Next. And now you have the option to look in our folders or a USB input. Since I have that USB, I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And here are all of the frames that are included, or the frame folder list. So all of these are folders. So you can see they have the included frames for the mighty hoops. We have hoop tech hoops, clamp hoops. We have a lot of different hoop sets. Not all of these obviously are uploaded into the machine. It would take up a bunch of memory, especially when we don't actually use them. I actually had to go in and install these. So what you're going to do is hit a list and then hit enter. And now it's uploaded. Obviously I didn't really need to do that because I already had it uploaded, but that's okay. So to actually access your new hoops, I'm going to go ahead and show you again. I'm going to go into the Outline page. You're going to hit Next page. And then instead of the USB, you're going to hit Folder. And those are all your available frames. Of course, we usually use mighty hoops because I needed to do a larger design, a full front, shirt front. Which we don't have those mighty hoops available. I went ahead and used the Barudan hoops. So here are all the sizes. Unfortunately, the sizes are in metric, which is a little bit of a bug for me. It just means I need to learn metric. But if you're not sure what size of hoop you're actually using, if you come over here to the physical manual hoops, you will actually find the measurement next to the clamp. Is it 300 by 290? I can't do math, y'all. 300 by 290. And there it is. So one more thing that we need to do is make sure the center is registered. One moment, please. Here we go. Welcome back. I went ahead and put the hoop on the hoop frame, and like I said, we have to make sure that our center has been registered, and you have to do that manually. Now, fortunately, if you do it for one hoop in this whole set, the center will align for the rest of the hoops, but you do need to set that center for at least one hoop in a set. So how you're going to do that is, once you're on your outline page in your list, you're going to hit next. Next again. Pick your frame, and then you're going to hit offset. So this is what you're going to see on the screen. You're not going to use the screen to actually align. You're going to use your head 1, or whichever head has this red dot, center dot. And honestly, it's going to be kind of an eyeballing situation. But all hoops do have a center mark. Here is this one's center mark. The mighty hoops also have a center mark, so it's not too hard to actually find out where your center is going to be. And then you're just going to make sure you're going to adjust the hoop so that that center mark is flush with that red light. Do that a little bit. Alright, and once it's set where you want it to, you can see there's a little bit of offset that happened. You're going to go ahead and hit and hold set. And there you have it. That is now your new center. All of these have been calibrated, and that is how you upload and reset new hoops into our Barudan machine. Again, this was Sam, and I hope that this was an informative video and that it's useful for whenever we get new hoops in.